All right, Jump, you ready?
Yes.
All right, so on 18 it says find the length of the arc on a circle with a radius of 10 feet intercepted by a 135-degree central angle. So express the arc in terms of pi, then round your answer to 2 decimal places. So if easiest way to think about this is that if you have a circle and if it has a radius of 1, so like if it goes through the center here and it has a radius of 1, like what is it to here? Like it's 0 here. What's the length of just the semicircle? Pi, right? So we have an angle that goes basically through here, and it's 135 degrees, right? Okay. So if it's pi or 180 degrees, just for the semicircle, what portion then, like how could we figure out what, if it's 135 degrees, how could we figure out like what the length is if it's a 1 foot radius? Like what would be the easiest way to do this? Like if it's 135, if it's 180 just to go to that part, what portion is right here? What? Yeah, that works too. Okay, that's not what I was looking for, but yeah, that works too. Okay? So, like I would have just done like 135 over 180, which is going to be the same thing, which is going to be 3 pi over 4, right? As far as the total length, because remember, your circumference of a circle is normally 2 pi r. Okay? We took the half circle and just went pi times whatever the radius is. Okay? So it's going to be 3 pi over 4 for a radius of 1. So what am I going to do with 3 pi over 4 if I have a radius of 10 feet? What am I going to multiply 3 pi over 4 by? 10. So what is 3 pi over 4 times 10 over 1? 30 pi over 4, which is really what? 15 pi over 2. So there it is in terms of radians. Okay, there it is in terms of radians, and then I just have to take 15 times pi and then divide it by 2. I don't remember what my decimal is right off the top of my head. How much? And it's in terms of feet.